Hello viewers, many people are asking me about Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus. On the other hand, they are asking me about iPad 10th generation. Actually, there are some differences between these two tablets. iPad 10th generation runs on iPad OS. On the other hand, Tab S9 AP Plus runs on Android and Samsung's own One UI. iPad 10th generation comes with only 64 GB of internal storage, as a result of which many users don't want to buy this iPad. On the other hand, they are looking to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus because it has 128 GB of internal storage for the base version and also 8 GB of RAM. But I will tell you that there are some difference between these two tablets. If you compare the speed of these two tablets, I think iPad 10th generation is way ahead in terms of processing power and also speed. However, initially you will not notice this, but if you open too many apps on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus and then you use those apps in iPad 10th generation also, you will see that multitasking is better on iPad 10th generation. If you compare the screen of these two devices, both of these two devices are actually very good in terms of multimedia consumption. Okay, but I think iPad 10th generation is little bit on the brighter side. If you compare them side by side, for suppose I will increase the level of brightness. Okay, I don't know whether you can see it or not, but definitely iPad 10th generation is vibrant and brighter than Tab S9 AP Plus, but it doesn't mean that Tab S9 AP Plus display is not so good. It is also very good, but if you compare them side by side, you will feel the difference. Another difference is that iPad can play 4K 60 FPS video, okay, but this is not possible in iPad 10th generation Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus. In case of Tab S9 AP Plus, you cannot play 4K 60 FPS video. If you try to play 4K 60 FPS, in that case it will stutter a bit and the experience will be very laggy, as you can see here. 4K 60 FPS is playing, but it will lag after few seconds. As you can see here, it is lagging. Okay, but you can play 1080p 60 FPS with very good color reproduction. As you can see here, it is lagging little bit. Now I will switch to 1080p 60 FPS and you will see that it will play 60 FPS videos in 1080p well. So this tablet actually can handle up to 1080p 60 FPS, but if you try to play forcibly, it will not play smoothly. Okay, now I will try to play 4K 60 FPS videos in iPad 10th generation, and you can see that it can easily play 4K 60 FPS video. As you can see here, it is playing 4K 60 FPS. and there is no problem whatsoever in playing 4K 60 FPS videos. So if you have a lot of multimedia content and you want to watch videos on 4K, in that case iPad 10th generation will be the best pick for you. But normally people don't actually use 4K videos, so 1080p is also maximum for most of the users. So in that respect, Tab S9 AP Plus is also a very good tablet. I like the customization feature on iPad 10th generation. The feels very good. As you can see here, it is very smooth, though to some users it seems to be little bit laggy, but I actually like the animation on iPad or iPhones because it is very consistent and you will have a very good animation, buttery smooth but not so fast, as it has only 60 Hz of refresh rate, so you cannot expect a snappy performance from the UI, but 60 Hz is enough for most of the users. On the other hand, Tab S9 FE Plus comes with 120 Hz of refresh rate, so there is no problem in scrolling and multitasking. If you are someone who likes to edit videos on tablets, so in that case I will pick up iPad 10th generation, because here you can edit your videos in 4K 60 FPS and the video editing quality is excellent. On the other hand, if you try to edit videos heavily on Tab S9 AP Plus, it will not allow you to render the video in 4K 60 FPS, and also if you try to crop any video, it will lag and stutter after post processing. So I think for multimedia consumption and video editing, iPad 10th generation is the best choice. Now battery backup is based on Tab S9 AP Plus. It can give you up to 10 hours plus screen on time on a single charge. On the other hand, if on iPad 10th generation you will get battery life around maximum 8 hours of screen on time on a single charge. But if you want to increase the battery life on iPad 10th generation, you have to do some customization. I have talked about these customizations in one of my previous videos, so do check out those videos to get the maximum battery life on iPad 10th generation. So finally, in the conclusion, which tablet or iPad is best for you? I have been using these two tablets for a couple of years, so I like both of these two devices, but it is a personal preference for you, and select your priorities, whether you want battery life or processor, whether you like multitasking or larger screen, whether you want free S Pen in the box or you want to buy the pen separately. These are some aspects that you should consider before buying any of these two devices. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.